Nature of management. Management is a multifaceted discipline that plays a crucial role in the success of organizations across various sectors. This document outlines the fundamental characteristics that define management, emphasizing its complexity and dynamic nature. Understanding these features is essential for anyone looking to grasp the essence of effective management practices. Goal-oriented. Management is fundamentally focused on achieving predetermined objectives. Every action and decision made within an organization is directed towards fulfilling specific goals, whether they are short-term or long-term. This goal-oriented approach ensures that all resources are utilized efficiently and effectively. Pervasive. Management is pervasive, meaning it is applicable to all types of organizations, regardless of their size or nature. Whether in a corporate setting, a non-profit organization, or a government entity, management principles can be observed at all levels, from top executives to frontline employees. Continuous. Management is not a one-time activity but a continuous process. It involves a series of functions that are performed regularly to ensure the smooth operation of an organization. This ongoing nature of management requires constant evaluation and adjustment to meet changing circumstances and challenges. Multidimensional. Management encompasses multiple dimensions, including the management of work, people, and operations. It requires a holistic approach that integrates various aspects of an organization to achieve overall effectiveness. This multidimensionality highlights the complexity of management tasks and the need for diverse skills. Dynamic. The dynamic nature of management reflects its ability to adapt to changes in the environment. Organizations operate in a constantly evolving landscape, influenced by factors such as technology, market trends, and regulatory changes. Effective management must be responsive to these shifts to maintain competitiveness and relevance. Intangible. While management itself cannot be physically seen, its effects are undeniably visible. The outcomes of effective management can be observed in improved productivity, employee satisfaction, and overall organizational performance. This intangible quality underscores the importance of management in shaping the success of an organization. Art and science. Management is often described as both an art and a science. It combines theoretical knowledge with practical application, requiring a blend of skills, creativity, and analytical thinking. Successful managers must be able to navigate complex situations, make informed decisions, and inspire their teams, showcasing the artistic side of management alongside its scientific foundations. Conclusion. In conclusion, the nature of management is characterized by its goal-oriented, pervasive, continuous, multidimensional, dynamic, intangible, and dualistic art and science features. Understanding these characteristics is vital for anyone involved in or studying management, as they provide a framework for effective organizational leadership and strategy.